Hello, everyone. It's me again. We're gonna continue tonight the world, the new zone stuff. Yep. It's pretty cool. We have progress, you can see here. Well, it doesn't really look like this, but yeah, we're working on it. Basically, I'm working on not this, but yeah, this kind of curve here. I'm trying to make some mountain stuff. I'm trying. The most difficult part is to make a ramp. I'm trying to make a ramp, kind of. So I think I will need a road. The thing is, I need. It's not easy. It's not easy. Not easy. It's really not easy, actually. I don't know if I can just use the road and switch it. What do you think? Maybe, maybe not. I still have this thing here, like for a corner, but I think it would be better if I go this way. Because what you can do like this is this. So you take this, where is an example? And you go here. So what you do is this. And because there is a perspective, like you do this, you know, so it feels smaller. You know, so if you put something like this, it feels smaller, so the perspective, you know, and you can make it bigger like this, so it's getting, you have more perspective, you know, something like this. So it feel you going, you know, so it's gonna feel you going higher if you mix, you know, something like this, I guess. Yeah, but we're gonna need a road. We gonna need the road for sure. Oh, look what we got here. Look at this. That's the kind of road I'm looking for. So imagine we have a road like, yeah. Wait a minute. Let me put it. So imagine we have a road like here. And okay. And then we put on top of this. Something like this. And what we can do is here. But you can see like what I'm talking about. The thing is we need We need to change the background, like for something else, you know. And what we can do also is we can reduce the road. We need a perspective road, you know. So we can reduce it. I mean, I should cut the road. Oh, I know what I have to do. I should like have bigger road and smaller road. Similar to this kind of thing, you know. I mean, the AI can do the rest. No big deal. It's just we have to figure out something. Like, I need something like a perspective like this. You know, if we use this, like, and we turn it, that could work, right? If we do this. Something like this. I'm trying something. Okay. I want to test something. If we go back to here. So here, something like this. Yeah, you see, something like this, like you. Oh, it's actually fit pretty good. But the thing is, yeah, it's actually. That's the kind of thing I want, actually. Something like this. Something like this. So it's like big road, and the road have to become like smaller. What is this line here? I think it's a weird line. Ah, it's this one. So kind of this. Maybe I could cut it. Yeah. And I will ask the AI to finish it. Imagine like something like this. We can make it like smaller. And the AI can, you know, change it. You know, something like that. You know, something like this. Okay. So for this part, I mean, I want to change the background, so yeah. Well, you have a couple choice. We put grass, different grass, or we continue with dirt, kind of. What are my choices? I mean, I would go with dirt because, you know, we need the kind of background dirt, man. Let me ask ChatGPT something, because not ChatGPT but Sora. We need a kind of background road. Let me I don't know. Trying to generate something. Yeah, we need a different kind of zone, so I mean the color can change. I mean it's kind of orange, but It's depend if I use this rock, because I really like the feeling of those rock here. They look kind of good. So I would like to take all this. Definitively. And this too. Maybe we should make a perspective like this too. It's pretty cool. So yeah. I mean, yeah. There is potential. I mean, I have it here, but we can make it better. That's a good beginning to go to the mountain, actually. And we can make it like a lot larger here. Like imagine something like this. So here, if I cut this, no, it has to feel a mountain, so. You have to feel you go up because the zone is gonna switch, so definitively. What's the size of my character in this? I'm curious. Okay. That's actually good. That's actually good size. Yeah, it's nice. The size is good. Size is good. It's not a problem. Okay. Okay, so what can we add more, like in the border? Like we need an edge. We need a different edge. Let me see. What do you give me? That's really bad. Need a kind of edge. Okay, I have one here we can use. Like this one. Something like this, maybe. Cannot really turn this, that's the problem. Well. Nah. No, it's not what I'm looking for. It's because I cut the thing. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Or I use this edge here. Like, I could use, because it's the other angle. Like, that's what I want actually, the edge here, but there is a bunch of tree. That's the kind of edge I want. Look, this thing. But I wanted the other side. That's a problem. It's the wrong side. Yeah. Well, I mean, what I need is exactly here, but there is a bunch of tree. Maybe I can ask ChatGPT to remove it. Actually, I can try, because this is what I want. I want this kind of edge here. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to remove the trees. Please. Can you... I can ask you to remove the water. Can you remove the trees and the water in this image? Keep the rest. Let me ask. If I can get the edge of this, it's actually good. Can you not reverse the cut? Reverse the cut. Ah, yeah, you're right. Well, actually, well, wait a minute. It's isometric, so maybe. Let me try. Maybe you're right. Yeah, I guess something like this. Yeah. Let me try. You have to imagine bigger, but But if I can just use the block here, maybe. Yeah, I think you're right. Actually, I think there is potential. Wait a minute. How can I do this? Like if I grab this and I turn it, it can work actually. I'm just guessing. I use Fusion a lot for work. I don't even know what software I'm using. I'm using Pen, so it's not Pen, but it's better than Pen. But yeah, you have a good idea actually. You have a good idea. If I turn it. Actually, I can complete it with this, and ChatGPT can do the rest. Okay, let's just put this here as a demo. Let me check what the ChatGPT give me. Ooh. Yeah, he gave me something interesting actually. Yeah, look at this. Well, now we're talking. That's the kind of edge I'm looking for, to be honest. Well. Yeah. Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna go for this, because that's exactly what the kind of edge I'm looking for, so. Alright, let me check this. Well, the problem is... it's not easy, huh? Yo! Taco! It's not easy. Let me tell you, this is not an easy task. But we're making progress. Oh my god. It's very the transition between grass and dirt. It's like complicated. Yo, well. Okay, then let me ask ChatGPT to remove the grass. Let's try that. Can you remove the grass? Wait, I'm gonna copy the image first. Look, I'm tricky. I enjoyed the problem solving. I'm a Chinese by trade, not problem. Okay, yeah, nice. Yeah, thank you for your logic. Alright, 1 second. High shader. Can you remove the grass and no background? Alright, let's see. Let's see what he's gonna give me. But I mean, we don't have to use this if we don't want to use this. But I need the feeling have to be you go on a mountain, so it's kind of tricky. It's kind of tricky. Oh my god. I mean, there is potential. It's just. But you know what I can do too is like I can cut this and make a new zone, you know. Well, let's see. Let's see where this is going. Let's see. Let me wait for Sora to generate me an image. There's a couple of things I want to do. I want to do waterfall and mountain zone. I want to do like 2 zones. But well, the tricky part is the feeling of going up something in an isometric view. That's always complicated. But well. Similar to think about like you know, in Diablo 2 the Arret Summit. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it's like you on top of the mountain, but you see. Oh, look at this. Okay, so ChatGPT give me sand. Why it's orange? That's better, right? I have to be careful because this monitor have bad color. My other monitor have better color. So. So the goal is to have, you know, a transition. Okay, let me do something very ugly and ChatGPT will fix it. You will see. You will see. We're gonna do something very ugly, but the point is to have a transition. You will see. You will see. I know it's terrible, but don't worry. Don't worry. Like I said, the goal is not to have a transition. So what we're gonna do now. You will see. You will see. You see, huh? Told you. Well, the ground is bad. The ground isn't good. You see? See where this is going? So that's the kind of thing I'm looking for. The hell is this here? What is this? Shit. Yo, wait, what? Hello. Yo, I'm stuck. Okay. Where is the little dude here? 'Cause I want to remove it. Okay. So, hey, Xerox. It's been a long time. What's up? Alright, so alright. I think for ChatGPT it's better that I feel everything. And like after I ask it to do it. I find it exciting that you're not trying to make a game with an engine that's fun to watch. That's true. Like goodbye Warcraft 3 and Starcraft 2. It's the pass. It's the pass. Okay, that's perfect. We're just gonna turn this. Wait a minute. Oh. It's not the good side. Oh, if I go this way, yeah. Okay, not bad, not bad. So all right. The goal is to have a full image so we can ask the AI to fix it. So yeah. So let's do. Okay. So we need like the full mountain wall here actually. You know? So like here. So basically we need the wall of the mountain here. So we can land to the next zone, you know? So kind of this, you know, it's ugly, but similar to like maybe this, but more big, you know. this, but bigger. I mean, this can be good. Wait. Where it was this thing? No. I'm confused. Where it was? What's this here? Like I'm gonna. Now that you build more of a game, Godot, I got a question for you, if you don't mind. All right, go for it. Do you want to invest? Invest to me. Go for it. I'm here. Ah, look at this. All right. Good. If Godot has to have a trigger editor, what trigger will be the most used for making a game? Wow, that's a very specific question. My God. I mean, there is so much trigger. I mean, I was said the classic if then else. That's it. I mean, you need if then else. No, that's the base, right? I mean, if you need even. No. So you need even on top, even condition action, and in action if then else. That's it. Even condition action, and in an action you need the if then else option. So that's the base, I think. This is very basic, but definitively. I agree. Is there something you would like to see in a trigger editor? I'm kind of burned out of trigger editor. You know me. Well, it's the button the how can I say it? What is fun to use with the trigger editor is the creativity, like the fast way you create something, you know. I have a lot of experience. I don't know, man. I mean, honestly, StarCraft 2 had an insane, you know, liberty, and Traeger was kind of crazy, actually. I have an idea for mine. Let's say you wanna implant a third-person camera. Yeah, that's true. Like you need something like camera follow a point, camera follow a target point. You know, this kind of stuff. Definitively. Camera follow a point first, you know, this kind of stuff. It's very useful, to be honest. Alright, so I think my image is ready for a ChatGPT revamp, but that's what I'm looking for, actually. So, kind of. You know, if we cut this, it would be better, I think. Not this, but the border. Not this too. Where is the border? You have an idea for mine. It's, you just choose parameter and no to touch camera. I think you're right. On Traeger should be something you can make again quickly. Oh yeah, definitively. It's just because the creativity in Traegers is really good. Oh, oh, thank you. What is that? Oh, you sub. Oh man, thank you for the sub. Yeah, I mean, I'm very, 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 very experienced with Traeger. Like, I don't think anyone can beat me. You already reached the best person for Traeger question. I used Traeger editor for years, like years. Definitively big years. So you don't have any better guys for Traeger editor than me, to be honest. And I'm not saying this because, but that's actually true. So. Yo, thanks for the sub again. Yeah, I miss the freedom of Traeger editor. You know what Unreal Engine should do? Instead of the box thing, they should do the Traeger editor. That would be crazy. Because I think Unreal Engine is more the blueprinting. I don't like it really. Like, I don't know, it's weird. Like, I know it's kind of like Traeger, but at the same time, it's, I don't know, it's strange. I cannot imagine, like, imagine Godot with a Traeger editor. Oof, that would be dope, actually. It would be like just hard to imagine, like crazy. Because in Godot right now, it's like coding, right? And it's just coding. So. Yes, exactly. You're the only other person I know who doesn't like Blueprint. Yeah, I have Discord. There's a link on my Twitch, no? Or on YouTube, maybe? There's a link somewhere. If you type exclamation Discord. No, it doesn't work. Oh. Discord? It doesn't work. I mean, yeah, I have one. Let me check. I think. That is my Discord, by the way. There is a lot of people because I'm old. I'm old. How many people we have on the Discord? Like 1K or? So how do I invite someone in there? I mean, I have no idea. What's my server link? How can I find my server link Discord? Hide member, pin member. I don't know. It's probably here, maybe? There might be a server option somewhere. This is my account. Oh, here? Oh, I got it. Invite to server. Oh. Or send a server invite link to a friend. Oh, okay. I think I have it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna post the Discord. Boom. That's the server. Big deal on this server. Big deal. Eh? I closed the music. Was so good. My bad. Sorry. Music was a banger. Let's bring back the music, guys. Sorry about this. Dude, I was in the mood. The music was in the mood. God damn it. It's okay, the music will come back, don't worry. Don't worry, guys. The music will come back. Alright, I think I'm ready for ChatGPT to fix me all this, to be honest. I reached the point where it's ugly enough for ChatGPT to understand it. But that's the goal, actually. I need a kind of ramp to go on a mountain. So I'm going to explain ChatGPT the point of all this. But that's the point of all this. Having a ramp to go on a mountain. Okay. Yo, can I have my music back? What's going on? My music banger, where is it? Where is it? Where is my music? Hello? Yo, where's my music? Oh my god, I lost it. It was so good. So sad. I will find it. I will find it. I found it. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Oh. Let's go. Woo. Banger music. Yo, hello. Jello. I said Jello. Let's go. All right, so let's do a ChatGPT test. Let's first save this to mountain V1. Okay. And I don't like the color anyway. I think it's too orange. In the share you work under Godot, I posted there. Cool. What is it? I'm curious. Ooh. Why you put node? Wait. What is that? Oh no, this is just the... Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. That's cool, man. Dude, we should work together. I like it. I'm the professional of Trager. I'm your best reference ever. I have 8 years of experience, or maybe 10 years of experience of Trager. Okay, so yes, you need global variable. But you should not put the local variable there. It's too confusing. Your local variable should be in the Trager, not here. Yeah, you should. So display should be global variable, but in your Trager, that's where you put your local variable. No? I mean, for me, it's more like this. Global mean autoload. Yes, that's what I mean too. Exactly. This is exactly what you should have, like... Trager variable on the right is variable for that exact Trager, yes. But the thing is, you put it on the same, you know. I mean, it's not. I will understand, but now. But the thing is, you should put like after the even. Like, oh, okay, you have Trager variable. Oh, yeah, you should, no. You should, this should be like local variable. I don't know how you can call this. And this should be just global, basically. Like, I will not mix. There's too much thing, you know. You have 3 level of variable, but why you have 3 level? Why do you need 3 level? Just 2, no? I will put just 2 level of variable. Cause like connected to the one GD script, which can be connected to one node. You can have a totally separate set of Trager for another node. Oh. You mean here? I'm not sure to understand. Ah, you mean in a function? Yeah, in a function. I mean, the function is like the trigger. So actually, a trigger is like a function, right? In Godot, basically. If you think about this. In Godot, a function, it's like a trigger. No? And you connect, yeah, it's like a trigger. A function like a trigger. So, well, I'm not sure. I think three plays for trigger is confusing. No? Is it me? Or maybe my brain. So one node can have a collection of trigger. Yeah, like local. And local local is basically any trigger for that node. Yeah, global is global. Yeah. I'm not sure. It's still confusing for me having too much variable thing, but you know what you should do too. Because I learned this in Godot, but you should have game session and save server. You know what I mean? Something like this. Because there's two separate things. When you're making an online game, you have the client and the server. Okay? Basically, client, server. So there's two data. So you have the game session, which is on the computer. So you're saving stuff on the computer. But you have the server session, which you need to save like the character, the item, and stuff like this, you know. So I think in Godot it's nice because it's separate. Like you create a game session save file and a server save file, you know. So in StarCraft 2, that was one of the big problem because everything was on server, you know. Well, everything was on the computer, you know. That's the thing. So you should have. So for me right now in my game, I have a game session. So people create game, and if they drop an item on the ground and they leave the game, you lose it. Basically, you lose it. But the thing is, if it's your inventory, it's saving on the server session. So you have like two sessions going on. The game session, the server session. That's something you should do too. It's very important actually. It's very, very important. And I think StarCraft 2 was missing that part. But he missed that. It's actually a big part. Because I understand why Blizzard, Blizzard told me, they basically told me, they told me in the email or whatever, in comment. They told me why they didn't do that. It's a reason simple because they lose control on what the person who's making the map is doing. So by doing this, it's a kind of security issue because they lose control. Because they give the power of someone, like do everything you want. Especially like think about Roblox, you know. So Roblox, they totally lose control of everything. Basically, like they just like do whatever you want, like do like, you know. So that's the kind of thing Roblox did. They don't care. But Blizzard was like, well, we didn't do it because, you know, it's not very ethical. Like people can do whatever they want. Yeah. So basically, that's something I learned on Godot, and I think it's pretty. I didn't like. I learned this, like, so. Yeah. So you need a game session and you need a server session. That's really two separate things. So when you save stuff, you decide, okay, this is on the game session or this is in my server session. Yeah, but I know you're working on triggers, but I don't know. Fine, like try to put something like because you're gonna have to make trigger on the game session, and you're gonna have to make trigger on the server session. It's very a big thing, you know. That's what I'm doing right now in my project, right? What the game I'm working on. I already have function. I already have trigger in my session that running my session is trigger running in my server. You know? So it's like, yeah. But you need to think a good way to implement this. But I think this can be next level if you have this. It can be really next level. To be honest, it's something like people like. I don't know why they don't have this concept in base. Because if you go on Unreal Engine, it's the same kind of mentality. It's just you have to do everything manually, which is weird. I could probably create even server with even organic for server. Same with action. Yeah, probably. I don't know. You have to think about it the way you want to implement this. But it's something very useful, like for someone who is newbie in this, you know, because it's like very confusing at the beginning. I was confused at the beginning, so I built my Godot game one way and was like, no, this is not gonna work. And when the AI explained me the game session, actually it's the AI explained me. So they explained me the difference between game session and server session. I'm like, oh, yeah, that make a lot of sense. I mean, the AI explained me, I was like, yeah, so I separate everything now, and it's like almost ready online, you know what I mean? Yeah, me too. I go on Unreal. I mean, it's there's some good thing, but you know, I don't know. I really like Godot, actually. I fall in love with Godot. Godot is very cool. I think it's very nice, and it's getting better and better too. Okay, so let's save this. All right, now time for ChatGPT to turn me this into something incredible, okay? So let's see what you can do. You know what's funny? My job, I'm working in a hotel, and it's a big hotel, okay? It's a big thing. So my job asked me if I was using AI. I said, I'm the god of AI. Like, you can ask me any question, and the company was like, oh, really? Yeah. I mean, I'm using AI every day. Like, tell me anything. And I'm like the Jesus Christ. I mean, I try every AI, man. Like Claude, Opus, the last Opus 4.5. Oh my god, dude. This is so crazy. Dude. Opus, check this. Opus 4.5. Oh my god. Check this. Dude, I tried it yesterday or 2 days ago. Oh my god, dude. This thing, dude. Opus 4.5, it's insane, man. This thing is so good. Like, you have no idea. Like, it's gonna code like crazy, man. Like, it's coding perfectly, no error, and a crazy logic. It's scanning your whole project. Oh my god, this thing is crazy. But it's very expensive. Huh? It's very expensive. It was free for it's like I just got it free a little bit, but it's so expensive. This thing is powerful, man. Holy shit. That's the best thing I see right now. Let me tell you, 28 November 2025. And I try everything. I try Claude, Sonic, Gemini. I try Grok. I try ChatGPT for sure. I try everything. Opus 4.5, it's the power, man. It's the power of the power. Let me tell you, that's crazy. This thing is insane, and it costs a lot. By the way, it's very expensive. It's very new, so it's very expensive. But this thing is, you know, I'm pretty sure this Opus 4.5 can turn my game in a multiplayer MMO. Listen to this. I bet you if I use 4.5 and I said, okay, turn my game into a MMO server client, it will do it perfectly. Like, this thing is insane, man. This thing is crazy. This thing is just insane. I'm kind of shocked too. I used it like 2 days ago. Yeah, this thing is so good, man. So basically, what I did with this yesterday or 2 days ago. So I had a problem in my game with my fading system. I have a big problem. Like my wall, my character, my dungeon was a big mess. So I used ChatGPT, I used Claude, I used everything. It was like a loop of bug and blah, blah, blah. So I go to Opus 4.5. Oh my God. It took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes, fix. It was insane. Jesus Christ. Gemini is the closest. I built an add-on in Godot and then totally combined to my other add-on and I did it perfectly. Alright, nice. And that's good. Yeah, Opus is expensive, man. I don't know. Because I know it's very strong. And it's very new. That's the thing. When it's super new, people, it costs a lot. It's very strong, man. Opus is so good. I was shocked, man. I told my friend too. I told my friend like the day after I used it. I was like, dude, Opus 4.5, have you seen this? And I was like, what? Already? No way. Yeah, Opus is crazy, man. It's like the GOAT. It's the GOAT. Okay, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to try to fix my ugly thing. Let's see. I mean, it's not kind of ugly, but it's good. I mean, he's gonna fix it. He's gonna fix it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. For now, I'm using. You know, I'm paying. I pay like the basic. I pay like $25. No, what it's US, so maybe it's like 30. I pay like $30 by month just to use the basic one. So I have a little bit of Opus. I have a little bit of ChatGPT. I have a little bit of Gemini, but it's not much. It's like 200k of line of code, I think. So. Well, I'm still. I mean, on Cursor you pay $30, I think, and you have a little bit of everything. You have ChatGPT, Gemini, Sonic, Claude, and Opus. You have a little bit of Opus, but it's not much. It's not that much. But after this, they have an option, like it's an auto option, so it's like Like it's like a cheap version of coding, but it's infinite. So I mean, you can code it infinite, but so every month you can pay. So I keep my big system for. So I keep my big system for like the big thing, and I keep the cheap one for the rest. Okay, so he give me something. It's not bad. Let me try again. Let me show you what he gave me. This is what the result Sora gave me. Not bad, not bad. Well, I mean, this one make more sense because I can use like this part. I can cut it, but I mean, it's not very. I mean, this one can work, but let's see what he's gonna generate me again. That's so funny. It's so funny that my job asked me if I was using AI. Oh my. Like the big corpo. That's true. The big corpo, like the big manager said, "Are you using AI?" What a question. Like honestly, like I cannot believe like they are so stupid. I didn't tell them, but they pay thousands of dollars, like maybe million to a company that changing the system, but they don't use AI. What a waste of money. I didn't tell them, but I mean, we are in transition right now, and they pay a company for basic application stuff. Like, so dumb. Like, there's no AI in this. So stupid. Whatever. You don't like investing money on something that is no AI right now. It's very dumb. Oh, nice. They pay for it. That's pretty good. Ooh, look what he gave me. Look at this. Interesting. Look at this. Not bad, not bad. You have this one too. I really like the transition road actually, but all right, let's try again. Let's give it another shot. Let's see. You progress forward, yeah, that's what you have to do. Look, you have to do an ugly thing like this. That's what you have to do every time. You have an idea, and you transfer the idea to AI, and you redo it again. So that's what I'm doing every time. Like it's not like people have a bad image of AI, but no, I'm using Sora. Sora is the best. I mean, it's Sora plus ChatGPT together. It's Sora and ChatGPT. Yeah, it's Sora, but with ChatGPT. Don't use just Sora. You have to use this here. Look, you have to use this. You heard of the image? No, but I use. Honestly, I think Sora ChatGPT is the best. Like I try a couple, to be honest. But maybe you can surprise me if you know something good, maybe. But I mean, Sora gives me so nice results, like really. Oh no, you got butted by the link. Sorry. Sorry about this. You got butt. Yeah, don't send link. If you have to send me something, it's only on private on Twitch. Yeah, because there's too much spammer. I need to put this. If I don't put this, I'm getting spam. Like, I'm getting spam by bots and stuff. So. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna wait for this generation here. But I think the winner is this one. I think this one can be really nice. Are we gonna fit the mountain? But let's see. To the image. And what is the image? It's like generating our image thing. I will check later, actually, not right now. No, not this. I like the style of this one, but I feel it doesn't fit my game, you know. This fit more my game, but it's kind of orange. I can try this one. It's a local AI run on your computer. Use your GPU. Create image from image plus text. Well, is it good or? So why this thing is better than something else? Is it like what's the, I don't know. Tell me more maybe. Tell me more. Tell me more. Ooh. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I like this. So we're gonna grab this. And we're gonna go back to ChatGPT. Sad. So you said about fantasy style image, but the open source space of AI with some pretty stuff. The image is just one of them. I think its best feature is that it's both a generator and editor. So if you create an image you like, when I change detail, you can. Oh, but you can do it too on Sora. Now you can. Sora let you do that too. Yeah, you can just take a specific part and regenerate. I think everything have this feature now. I mean, Sora take a little bit to have, but you can do it now. So yeah, you can do it on Sora. Yeah, it's called remix. So when you generate your image, they ask you if you want to remix. Look. So if you go here, and there's an option here. You know, you can remix. You know, no, you can edit remix. So, or you can just remix. Look, like, yeah, I want this part to change, and you do it. So it's very integrated, you know. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Especially Sora, because they give excellent quality. Like I said, I try a couple. Sora is really good, man. Like, it's very good. Ugh. Ugh. What is this? This is terrible. Oof, that's not good. Yeah, Sora is good, but only with ChatGPT. I don't like the Sora solo, the solo Sora. I don't like it. It's too much for video and stuff. It doesn't feel real. Like, actually for a sprite game like me, like for a video game, only Sora ChatGPT. I don't like the other one. Actually, ChatGPT is giving some nice image sometime for a sprite game. Just ChatGPT, but Sora is just one step higher. Yeah, I don't know. I like this one too. Maybe you can use that part. But let's see what it's gonna generate me. And damn, we work a lot tonight. And we didn't do a lot too, so it's just a ramp. But you know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I could use this one too and use the... I mean, this thing is kind of nice here, to be honest. Let's see. He just did that? That's interesting. Look. Not bad, huh? That's the kind of thing I was looking, to be honest. This one is too shiny, but this one is actually good. Let me check this one. Ooh, okay, now we getting somewhere. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Well, I have the mountain as well, so okay. Huh. Okay, so the question is how big this is. Is it big or? Oh yeah, this is very small. Oh my god. Ooh, but it's not bad when we... Actually... Huh. Actually, it's pretty good. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Wow, look at this. Okay, that's something. Interesting, interesting. Wow. Okay, let me check the size of my guys. Where is this? Where is the little dude? Let me open it. Where is the dude? NPCs? No. Hero sprite. No weapon. Ah, no. Let me take the work in progress. Yo. Let me check the size of this. Also the angle of this. No. That's not this. 1 second. That's wrong. Here we go. Oh boy, okay. Whoa, okay, yeah. Okay, this is way too big. 1 second. Let me find the correct size. Alright, man, I gotta go. Yeah, come back again. Thank you. Thank you for the sub, huh, too. Nice. See you another time. I will be there tomorrow if you want to talk. Tomorrow. Bigger a little bit. That's cool. Okay. All right, so what do we do? Do we cut the grass? That's pretty good, actually. But we need to think... you know... I mean, it's beautiful, but the thing is, we need to think Godot now. Like, I have no choice, man. I'm gonna have to cut the grass, and the grass is isometric, so it's kind of sad, huh? Well, okay, let me try to... Yeah. Let me try something, okay? Just a test. Let me try to not cut everything. The base, because Okay, so do we have a mountain we can put? Like a top mountain? Because the mountain look good, it's just we don't finish it. Like I would cut it here. Oh, you know what I should do? I should cut all this. And the thing is, because the ground is good, I like it. Let me test something. You see? It's not that bad actually. I mean, with some tweaking. Actually, it looked more realistic with this, so it's not that bad to be honest. That's cool. We have something, like seriously, it's getting somewhere. Definitively. It's just because it's penty. Yeah. We need to improve the quality of this. There is a way to do it. But because you need to take small part, which is possible. Everything is possible. So, I mean, the only problem is the mountain. Yeah, my only concern is the mountain, to be honest, because now I don't. Or I cut it on the wall, like oh, I know what I can do, but the thing is, I'm gonna need my mountain anyway. Like this one. Can I have the top of this? That would be interesting. yeah. It's... Well, I'm gonna have to ask the GPT. Well, it's sad that I don't have my top mountain. But, yeah. You know what? I should have... I mean, I should cut this too. I don't know. You know what I should do? I should just use the border. Oh, no, not this one. Like... it's because the image cut. It's so bad. Let me ask ChatGPT if he can complete the mountain top. I don't know if he can. Let me ask. Alright, I can see that is going somewhere. I like it. My goal was to have a mountain zone, so now we just need to cut everything and be sure it's good quality and stuff. Making new assets for zone is it's not easy. It's hard. Because it has to fit to Godot too, so it's like... And isometric is nightmare too. It's very another level. It's not nightmare. Yeah, kind of, because the angle is always wrong and stuff. But the result is there. When it's done, it's beautiful. That's the thing. So, but it's a lot of work. All my game is a lot of work. I'm not doing like fasting. So, yeah. Game over. Okay, I have it here. That's nice. Grab this. Or this, actually. Boot is good. I mean, as long as I have my top mountain. Oh, the angle is wrong. Oh, this one is better. So, yeah. Okay, let's see. Not bad, huh? He did almost exactly my thing. Pretty close. Pretty good. Nice. Awesome. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Okay, I think we're going somewhere. Interesting. Look nice. We're gonna have to, like, this is gonna be hard to put it in the reel, you know. Like I would like kind of throw it here. Let me ask ChatGPT again. It's too good to be true. Basically, what I want is this. Wait. So I want the road here. So what should we do? Like extend this. I need to guide ChatGPT a little bit. If I do... all I want is the road. How can I do this? I want the road. Like I want the side of the mountain. Like with the edge. Imagine. I mean, kind of this, but with a better angle, you know? Like this angle is good. So you know what I should do? I have an idea actually. Should like this. I'm gonna turn it. I have an idea. I'm gonna turn this, can I? Yeah. Exactly this. Yes. So turn this thing. Turn this. Exactly like that. There we go. And now we should have the road. Should have the road. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it. Like this. Something like that. Okay, can I either copy this? And I want this. No, I don't want this. I want like this, but the other side. So or just take the full thing. Yep, something like that. Something like that. Ooh, not bad, not bad, not bad. Mountain in progress, yeah, that's good. I'm kind of impressed. Yep, mountain in progress. Just gonna continue this, I guess. But I'm gonna need like a larger road because this is too small for the combat. This is too small, I think, because look, my character is kind of, you know. Yeah. Yeah. It's like have to be larger, to be honest. I would need larger road. Can't you make the character smaller? Well, sadly, no, because no, I can't. I need to respect the size. It's important. You know what is sad is this is the kind of just because the angle is bad. It's the kind of larger I need. Like imagine. Yeah, it's because the isometric is not good here. The isometric is good here, but not here. So, no. You have no idea? Bah, I mean, you don't have to. You don't need a lot of knowledge to make a game, to be honest. I think everyone can make a game. Everyone. Everyone can make a game. In my world, actually. Let me just complete the road. Where did I copy this? Okay. We just have to fix this thing. Where's that road? Here. All right. So, question is this too small? Answer is probably yes. So, you know, I think the best thing would be to put this in game and see by myself how is the size of all this in game. You know, because yeah, what do you guys think? think we should do like a kind of testing just to see where we're going. Is the good way or the bad way, you know? I'm just gonna put like, I don't know, maybe like this. Yeah, let's try this. One path is bigger than the other one. Yeah, I see it too. I see it. I hear. Yeah, it's not good. Well, I just want to see. I know there's some stuff that doesn't fit. But, I want to test something just quickly. Quick test. Just a quick test, okay? It's no big issue. Yeah, I know there's a lot of problems. Alright, so let's just see how it feels, and if it doesn't feel good, we can make maybe we can use the top of this mountain as a reference. But let's take a look. Alright, let's go. Oh, I leave the guys here. Oopsie. Let me remove this dude. Okay. All right. Give me a second. Yeah. All right, let's try this. All right, so let's go. I'm curious to see this. that was not my main idea, but at the same time, I didn't really know where I was going this. I know I want mountain, but I didn't really like think about that. So I'm not sure about the color too. The color is strange. It's super orange, but yeah, I'm not sure about the color too. There's a couple things I was not sure about what I just made tonight. You know, maybe we can just keep everything for another zone too, if we don't like the zone I made. It's like when I'm making an NPC and I don't like it. It's the same kind of feeling. I just keep it for another zone and that's it. Like I made like two blacksmith and stuff like this, so same kind of thing. Maybe use the mountain as an entrance for cave level. Yeah, that's a good idea actually. I mean, I would like a bigger place for fighting on the mountain. Not just a cave, but I mean, we can do boots, we can do walking around the mountain and fight, and also at the end having a cave, which is gonna be cool. But I think walking around the mountain is nice because I'm gonna have falling rock, you know, and stuff like this, so I can have a bunch of things happening. So we'll see. Man, is my game getting so long loading? Like, it's because I didn't close the thing. When I leave Godot, I need to close every scene. It's loading like non-stop. Hey, what? Their rock golem on the top, and you fight the golem. After you beat him, you can go in the cave. That's a nice idea. Actually, I didn't think, but yeah, you're right. That's actually pretty good. Actually, huh? That will be epic, man. I'm just thinking about this right now. Ooh, imagine. Big herd got him. Yeah. The stream is lagging. Yeah, because it's loading. It's loading, my friend. I'm gonna have to wait, sadly. Give a couple. Hey, it's loading, okay? It's loading. It's loading, guys. Loading, okay? Loading. Calm down. It's loading. No. It's me. It's loading. The game is loading, okay? Calm down. Calm down. We have to wait a little bit. It's putty for me. Calm down. Calm down. It's loading. Believe me. Believe me. It's loading, guys. It's loading. It's loading. It's almost ready. Almost ready. I should never quit Godot on this scene. This is the most laggy scene we have, so I should never do that. This is the most heavy scene. It's like there's a lot of things in this scene. It's like the town. There's NPC to load. There's everything to load. I should never do that. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, remind me to never do this again. I'm gonna close this scene when I'm gonna quit Godot. It's still loading. Are you kidding me? What's loading? He's switching to GPU. He's switching to GPU Godot, so that's why. There is a. It's gonna be super fast in 1 second. Oh, we got it. Because it's the shader. The shader is crazy. I think we have it now. See, the shader is still buggy. Still didn't load. Oh yeah, it's good now. Yeah, you see, we have it. Yeah. Woo. Alright. We have it, boys. So, you guys are ready? Ready? Guys, ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Let's be sure everything is gonna work. Ay, what's going on? One hour later. The shatter, yeah. Yeah, it's ready. Here we go. Now it's fully load. Look at this. Finally, we can do something. right when I said that, it's still loading. What is loading? Hello? What is doing? What was that? Did you hear that? Did I bug something? My God, dude, what was that? Start. I'm gonna